how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. So if you want to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail, it's normally quite very simple to do so. Right here, if I open the Gmail app and let's say you happen to delete some of the important emails that you have, you can always restore them within the 30 days of deleting them. So to restore them, what you can just try to do is to simply tap on the three lines option from the top left of the screen there and simply scroll down to this option that says trash. So it will be in a bin like icon. Just tap on trash and here you'll be able to find all the mails that you've happened to deleted. Now unfortunately, if you've already deleted them from here, from the trash section as well, you will no longer be able to restore them. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.